The inner yoke is held squarely in the vise with the aid of two 20mm diameter spuds jammed in the vise, and then the outer yoke is held down with a toe clamp. The first thing to do is to clock in the upper cap that needs the stakes removed. The 8mm carbide end mill is going to trace around a 20mm diameter circle, knocking off those tips, and so the X coordinates are being set at the moment at +6 and -6, and then the Y coordinates are set at +6 and -6, and then the cutter is moved back to the beginning position of X6, Y0, and then a G2 command begins, which interpolates a circle around the perimeter of that cap. So that starts now. This video is sped up 6 times, so it all appears to be happening a lot quicker than it really did. I'm winding the knee up as this is happening. I've put in multiple G2 codes because the G2 code only travels 180 degrees around a circle, so I've put in about 6 G2 codes to get the tool to move seamlessly around here, and at the same time I'm winding the knee up to detect when the tip of the end mill is scuffing the top of the cap, and it's doing one final pass now, and I'm feathering the knee up and down a little bit depending on what sounds it's making, because the top of the cap isn't necessarily perfectly flat. So that's the final result. It's knocked some stakes off and it's all done.